Hello, welcome to my awesome plan. We're now going to show you how you can push a tile to the internet. I'm using this on the tile itself, push a diagram to the internet on this tile, and this one is a tile about pushing something to internet, PTI, push to internet. So I enter the tile, press enter at the end of typing in the space near the yellow tile, it's a solution, and when I press enter at the end of it, it will accept the tile, upgrade, and I will now publish the tile by pressing publish. So it's published not only the tile but the whole plan, and I click this up and it says that when you've finished doing your publishing, just then proceed to extract all the files and push it to the internet. A bit of effort or back reading into the 1980s and early 90s file transfer, and I was just there, and you can look that the computer's taking a bit of time to publish, because at the main time it's mainly focused at rendering the last YouTube that you saw. So we wait here for a little while. It's normally a lot faster than this. You can see on the green, that's your tile editing software. So you access that pressing a tile you're interested to edit and press Control, and that will automatically change the focus to that. That's finished, and the command screen comes up instantly, and it starts to shove files from your computer to the internet. Now, this will work in general for all distributions of this beta testing engine. The idea of beta testing is that it has a few bugs, but the users know this and know that they're helping out the general cause. It's very, very slow at this point in time. Normally it streams through, but because it's actually using up all the bandwidth on several tasks of actually uploading a YouTube video at the time. And of course, while this is waiting, this is happening in the background, you can go around the computer and start to do some editing of the next things that you might be interested in. And so it's still up. It's still slowly uploading previous YouTube. You can see that on the side. It's by a program called Camtasia. I might include automatic acquisition of YouTube and upload when I get around to it. So at the moment, to publish a tile, a map, my awesome plan, or all things considered, to the internet, you just press the tile which says publishes it to the internet. Oh, now I've gone to the YouTube, and the YouTube's announced the fact that it's finished, and it's still. So one program's so there's three programs running at the same time here. One is the Camtasia program. Another is the recording program. There's a couple going on at the same time. Now we've got the YouTube, which is up. I'll go up to the browser, and I'll find the URL of that YouTube which has just come up. So just watching a few more files being shoved to the internet. So each file has to be lovingly taken out, crafted, and pushed up to the internet. Windows handles most of that. I've actually backtracked and used a much older format here. So looking over it again, going up here to YouTube, and it says I'm still processing it. Look up the top there. There's the URL that I have to capture for it. See if it's ready. It's ready to process it. So I'll go up here and click this, and this is looking much nicer, much healthier. So I'll be able to take the URL, copy that, Control C, taking it across, go back to here, go to the tile I'm interested in, which is the slip image provider, go to the URL, Control V, press Control C to ensure it, update the tile, and now it'll be ready to go. Still taking quite a lot of files. Normally this whips through, and I should be able to increase the upload by a factor of 10 if I can get my little hands in on code. Yeah. It's taking quite a lot of effort to understand the old file transfer processes. Now that's finished, so it's now uploaded. So I should be able to, now you can just view it on the internet by pressing view on the web, and this is the file that we have, and it's just been published to the internet. Taking a little while, again the computer's super slow. And now this is the front file that appear in your mobile phone. I'm cleaning this up overall, and this is all the media. There's no YouTube yet. Next time I go through, I'm going to look at here. Oh, unfortunately I've pasted Bill McGee's picture in Jane Jackson's slot. Go around and see it. If you click on it, it'll automatically go to, there's Jane Jackson. So that's actually Bill McGee rather than Jane Jackson. Going to the new features. Taking a while. It's all good. Oh, where's that image? Oh, it's taking a while to get there. Okay, so that was the image file filter, and this is the tile that you're just working on, teaching how to push it to the internet. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and obviously I'll get better people to present this later on when this is up and running. Bye for now.